Hey guys, how's it going? Hey Kelsey Tech here, once again with another unboxing. And today it is going to be the official Wii U and Wii Nunchuck. I also just want to again apologize for how zoomed in this is. My tripod's awful, and after this video I'm going to go ahead and order a new tripod. I think it's time. But before the unboxing, I guess a little backstory. You can skip ahead a little bit if you don't want to listen to me ramble on. So I completely skipped out on the Wii generation, and I bought a Wii U about last year, and I was like, you know what, I'm going to play a bunch of Wii games that I missed out on, because, you know, there's a lot of nostalgia coming back for it. I was a little too old for the nostalgia, but I decided to go ahead and get this and play some of the games I missed out on, and I cheaped out, and I bought, what the fuck, I bought a third-party Wiimote and also a nunchuck to go along with it too. This sucked. This was awful. I played through Galaxy with this, and then I got to the beginning of Skyward Sword. I was like, I can't play this. There's constant disconnects. Everything's awful. The nunchuck was fine. I think it just feels like a little cheap, and I don't know. The buttons they feel a little not good. I'm hoping that the official one's a little better, but this was like the nail in the coffin for me when trying to buy like cheap things, and I just needed to get like the official everything. Now it's worth it, so picked up the official Wii U remote. Works great, so much better, everything's awesome. This is actually a battery pack on it, but yeah, this is great. So I decided, let's just get the nunchuck. It's fine. I picked up on eBay. It was like 20 bucks. So let's get into it. So it's a picture of the nunchuck itself. Also works with Wii. I'm imagining that these, came out during the Wii U because, it can play Wii stuff, and then maybe people got a Wii U just to play Wii games, and they're in my situation. So got this. Cool, so let us open this, and if you saw my previous video, I do like keeping the boxes in a pretty decent condition and put them up for display, because I am a nerd. But I think if you're watching an unboxing video of a Wii Nunchuck in 2020, you're also probably a little bit of a nerd too. Sorry. Okay, so cool. It's open. And here's the nunchuck. We'll set that aside. Does it come with anything else? Comes with some paperwork. I'm imagining this is how to operate it, but as we all know, don't need that anymore because we all know how things operate. And yeah, so that's that. So isn't this weird dual colored motion cloth? This is just a sleeve that holds it, and then the only part is cable, so it comes in a zip tie, and shall untie it. I can't wait to get this new tripod. Oh my god. Okay, so then there's another zip tie. Okay. And a little bit of tape holding some more, I don't know what this is called, this material, but I mean, if you've most people know what it is. Okay, cool. Does my original Wiimote have yeah, it does. It does have this plastic thing, but this says, I don't know. That actually looks So obviously this is the official one because it has a Nintendo logo on it. But I think... and then I'm going to take this piece off. But I think outside of that, they're like literally 1 for 1. I don't know. But yeah, here it is. I don't know if this discoloration is discoloration for me using it, but because I don't think this has been in sunlight. Yeah, okay, these buttons are way better. At first I was like, actually, I think this is better. But you hear that? This is just way more like a thud, and this is like a click. And I guess it's personal preference, but I don't know. And then this feels way better. Like, you can see how much like air is in right here, like this gap that's in between it. It's like not in here. Like there's a little bit, but if I hold it the same angle, it's like so much more. I don't know. But outside of that, yeah, and then you can even see like there's less like of like this, especially with the C button, there's so much more space. But yeah, that's awesome. So that combined with the new Wii remote is going to make my experience a whole lot better. I played through Galaxy with both of those pieces of crap, and what sucks is I got 3D All-Stars, so there's no point in me playing it on Wii again. However, I do have Super Mario Galaxy 2, so I'll be doing that and finishing all the games that I have on Wii, and they're going to be a lot better. So yeah, that was the unboxing of the Wii Nunchuck. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like, comment, subscribe if you do. And videos from now on will be a lot better when I get my tripod. And also, check out my gaming channel, my main channel, which is just Hey Kelsey. I'll link it in the description, where I make comedy videos and reviews and top 5s on video games. And I put a lot more effort into those videos than these. So yeah, thanks again, and I will see you guys next time.